I don't even want to tell you the amount of effort I'm putting here to pull the freaking pulk. Oh man. There's no way I can go anywhere over here in this freaking Norwegian forest with my pulk. Impossible. I'm not even gonna try. I'm supposed to go this way, but it's a freaking mess, you know? You come here in this forest, you take a backpack. I put got a little bit of snow there. What do you think? Oh man. I want to put the GoPro. Come on, you can do it. Really twisted. I could just come down here. Instead, I were all there suffering. Then around here, and then I just came this way. I want to retrieve the camera in a way that hopefully this is what my camera and my tripod goes through. And here we are, see? Nice and dry. Nice and dry. The foot section is here. More in the front. So I'm gonna sit here. Apart from the fact that it's been arduous coming here and all the effort I put, what a coffee I'm having here. What a coffee, trust me guys. What a views here, this is wonderful. We're gonna check the pitching spot and see if it works well, hopefully, because otherwise it's gonna get dark very soon. Whoa, whoa. Alright, I think that's more than enough. Because if you keep digging, the thing is you're gonna go up now with the bed. Alright guys, I'm done pitching the tent. It took me quite a while today. I'm freezing here. I need to jump in. I'm gonna have a hot chocolate now. We're now gonna have a meal and a hot chocolate while waiting, just to heat up. In summer, when there are bugs and whatnot, I always have my inner tent. I absolutely love it. The feeling of closing your zippers and knowing that no mosquitoes or whatnot is gonna get to you is very nice. In winter, as you can see, everything is very bulky. If you have to be here with an inner tent, it's going to be very restricted, and you can do it for sure. There's no doubt about it. You don't need it really. It's perfectly fine. Just insulate yourself, and that's all you need. Just wanted to mention like the flaws of this tent for winter camping. For a day is fine, especially if you're active, you go and take pictures and whatnot, it's nice. But if you are going to do multiple days, it's just very restricted the space you get here. It's you really don't have much space. It's very restricted. Yeah, I'm missing my real winter tent for two reasons: space and simplicity of pitching. It's a freaking breeze to pitch that tent once you have it prepared. This tent is a pain to pitch in winter in the snow. I've just done a check on the tent just to see that everything is fine. I don't know if you get to see it, but yeah, everything is okay, and we're just gonna jump in bed. But before, I had to check the tent that everything looks good. This is Jesus, my hands. Your sweat goes through the sock into the insulation of the boot, so then the sweat becomes solid. It freezes. This can be avoided if you use a vapor barrier liner, basically a plastic bag. So this is the aftermath of the night. I think the tent looks pretty good. Sorry for the bad filming. screwing off. It's time to go to the next location. This is how we go about here when we take our shots. There you go.